Alright, let's get started. First, edit the shape to your liking. Next, combine the shapes to make them look beautiful. Click on a shape format, then Union. Don't forget to remove the shape outline. Now, duplicate these shapes and place them randomly on the slide. Cover the entire slide with another shape. Select all the shapes on the slide, merge them, and then subtract. Remove the outline from all the shapes. Place an image on one shape, make it much bigger, and send it to the back. Insert your text on the desired slide. Click on the background image, go to Animations, select More Motion Paths, and choose the left motion path. Increase the length of the left motion path. Finally, during animation playback, select the timing options. Make it slow and select Previous option. And there you have it. Enjoy your exclusive final presentation.